Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve a Leetcode 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. So given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, that means in ascending order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. Okay. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains the unique elements in order they were present in the nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important. We have to return the number of unique elements present in nums. Okay. So what we are told to do is we are given an array of elements arranged in ascending order. We have to first find the unique elements present in the array, then place them in front of the array. The remaining elements is not much important. Then we have to return the number of unique elements in the array. Okay. But we cannot use set and then just return the length of the set, but as we are told to change the array itself, we have to put unique elements in front of the array. So what we are going to do is, suppose this is the array, we are going to create a temporary array or list. Okay, now we will iterate through the nums array. Okay, let's say 0. We will check, is 0 already present in temp? No. Therefore, we append 0 to our temp. Now 0. Is 0 already in our temp? Yes. Therefore, we will not do anything. 1. Is 1 already in our temporary list? No. Therefore, we append 1 is already present. 1 is already present. 2 is not present. So 2 is here. 2 is already present. Therefore, we will not append. 3 is not present. Therefore, 3 we will append. 3 is already present, will not append. 4 is not in temp, therefore it will append into temp. Okay, now this is this temporary list contains all the unique elements in our list, nums list. What we will do is we will again put these elements one by one in front of the nums. Okay, so 0 will come here, 1 will come here, this will become 1, 2 will come here, 3 will come here, 3, and 4 will come here. That means 4. Okay, so by after that nums will become like this. Nums 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest will be the same as it was. Okay, so there are 5 elements in the temporary array. There are 5 elements, 5 unique elements at the front of the array. So all our objectives are complete. That nums, the front part of nums contains all the unique elements, and we will get the number of unique elements by getting the length of this temp array. So how are we going to code it? So we are going to code it by we're going to create a temporary list. Okay, so we will iterate in nums for I in nums. If I not in temp, if I is not in temp, we are going to append it in temp. Okay. If it is already present in the temp, it will not append. It will only append when it is already not present. Now our temporary array formation is complete. We will need to put these elements in front of the array. How are we going to do this? We are going to take a variable I equal to 0. Okay, so for I in range, let's take for j in range len temp will run up to the length of this array and keep nums of j equal to temp of j. So I think I variable is not in it. That means when j is 0, okay. That means this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The element at 0 index of temp will go to the 0 index of nums. The element when j is 1, the uh, value at index 1 of temp will go to index 1 of nums. And by this way, we will keep the unique elements in front of nums. And finally, we will return len temp. That means the number of unique elements in the nums. So let's run it. Test cases passed, sample test cases have passed. Now let's try to submit. And it is accepted. So I hope you have understood the problem and the solution. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.